Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one directory tree generator project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like my previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So from that, it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be getting all notifications of my video when I will be uploading, and you can learn more new clones projects and many other things which I will be uploading on my channel, and you can also learn some of new languages which are just coming. So just practice that all things we are just working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of that things which we are just already here. So now in this directory tree generator project, like previously I've just uploaded that in my channel, so you can check that out, but this one is another. Okay, so here if I just come, and here I will be just doing one thing, like I'll be pressing save all button here. So when you've done with that things, here I'll be just doing one thing, like I'll be making a file. I'll be pressing right click on my folder in which I will be making my file. Then I will be going to new, and you can select any file you have to make. So we are working with Python, so obviously we will be making Python file. So I'll be pressing Python file here. Then you have to just write your Python file name, and if you want to write, you can write .y also, which we write in like when we saving file VS Code or Sublime Text or Atom when we are done. But in PyCharm here it is obviously coming in Python, so here you don't have to write .py, which is a end code of Python. Just write your file name, then it will be automatically save in your Python file. Okay, so I will be just writing here, like just you can give the name of tree. Okay, so I'll be not giving that, I'll be writing generator. If I do press enter, and you can see it is already exist here. If I show you, you can see that this is the file which we are just working with. So because of that it is already exist. So I'll be pressing right click here, go to Python file again, then I'll be changing it to tree, press enter. You can see it is not exist, so it is now created here. So like that you can just open your files and just work with here. Now I will be zoom in so you can see my codes which I will be writing here. So first of all I have to just import OS. Okay, so for importing OS I will be just first of all download that. For downloading you have to just do one thing, like here you have to go to terminal which you are just having in your PyCharm. Then you have to just select the location where your folder are which you are just working with. So this is PyCharm folder, so it will be automatically shown the location where it is. Then you have to just write here like pip install, which is a command to just install anything in Python. If you are working with Python, so I have to write pip install to install anything in Python. But if you are working with React, so you have to write npm install to just install anything here. So I'll be writing pip install right here OS, press enter. Then here I have just already downloaded, so it will be collecting, and you can see that there is coming like satisfy requirement OS, because I've just already downloaded. But if you don't have that, so you can just download here, then it will be just installing here, or you can also update that into a latest version if you just already have here, because in 2021 we are just having a latest version of like this OS here, so you can just update that. Now first of all, like I've told you, I will be importing OS, so I'll be writing import OS. You can see we have written. So here I will be not writing import random, because here we are not making the thing like which we work with random, so we are just not making the thing with random. So here I will be just writing import OS to just importing anything with OS here. Then I will be coming underneath here, and you can see in directory.py, if I show you, you can see we are just getting the files like that you want to. Then I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming here, and here I will be writing like for path files, and I'll be writing dirs. Okay, so I'll be writing that. Then when you've done with that things here, if I just move here again, you can see that we are getting again the things which we want. And here I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be giving space in that, and I'll be writing in os.walk. So this is a tag from which you can define the, like you have to define in directory tree generator, like if you are defining path, so you have to define path. If you are defining your file, so you have to just define files. Then dirs, this dirs means like folder, means if you are having folder in your desktop or any other local disk, so you can define that here. So I will be only defining the location of like local disk C of desktop, so here I will be showing you. So you can see that there are many folder which I am just having in desktop, you can see that. And if I do one thing here, like if I just come here and define the location of C, and here first of all I will be writing that, then I'll be defining. So here if I just select the location of like user, then I'll be writing my desktop name with this. Then I'll be just writing desktop here, like I'm telling you. Now here I will be not writing first of all folder name. I will be just showing you if you don't write your folder name, because it just tell you like in your folder how many file are and what the file is, like it is JPEG, PNG, MP4 or what the file it is about. Okay, so it will be also telling these things here. Then I will be writing semicolon and coming underneath here. So when you are just done with that, I will be writing print, and I'll be writing like the current folder is, means this will be showing when you will be defining your folder or anything like that. So here I'll be writing that. Then here I will be just coming and writing for dir in dirs, come underneath, create print, and here you have to write like that. So when you've done with that things, you have to go to directory, and you can see that we are just getting the location like that. I will be just coming here and I'll be doing one thing here, space plus path, and now it will be just good if I just show you save here, pressing save all. Perfect. So when you've done that, just I will be doing one thing. You can see that we are just not getting any semicolon here, so just don't care about the semicolons here. Then when you've done with that things, erase this print tag here, and just we will be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath writing print, and I will be writing sub folder. Then when you've done with that things all, I will be doing one thing, like I'll be going to directory.py. You can see we are getting that, so I'll be writing off, and here I'll be writing like that thing again. Then I will be just writing plus sign here, and just you have to erase that. If you want to download Git, so you can download that here. So I'll be just doing here and coming. It is again asking to here. I'll be not doing. Okay, so I'll be going that, and you can see we are just getting like there, and we are also getting path first of all. So here I'll be writing that. Then write plus path, and you can see we have defined path also. If I show you, you can see path is defined. Then I'll be writing plus there. So when you've done with that things all, I'll be coming underneath, create for file, in files, you have to come underneath here, write print, and I will be just coming here also, and just if I go to directory, you can see we are getting there. So I'll be writing folder inside. Then here when you've done that, just I will be coming here and writing here like that sign again, press backspace. Okay, so I'll be writing like that. Okay, so here when you've done with that, I'll be just writing plus sign here, then semicolon, write plus path, but now I'll be not writing there, I'll be writing file. Okay, so here if I go to directory, you can see we have defined all the things like it as it is. So I'll be spacing bar here, space bar here also. So when you've done with that things all, you have to just do one thing, like here I'll be just coming here and I will be going forward. Okay, so it is good to go. So when you define that all things here which we have defined, you have to do nothing, just you have to save here by pressing save all button. And here when you're done with that all thing, just you have to do one thing, like you have to just now, if I define that here, so we have defined all the things which are perfect. So our file name is tree, so I'll be running that here, run tree. So you can see that now it is having all the folders which we are having in desktop, and you can also define any of your local disks here, and if you want to, but I've just defined desktop location. You can also define the location of local disks D, E, F, or many of the local disks if you are just having, so you can just use that there also, because here it will be telling you all the locations and all the folder which you are having in your local disks or like that. And now if I write my folder name here, like if I show you in my desktop, you can see there are more folder, so I'll be using this HTML folder, you can see. So I'll be going to my like PyCharm text editor, then I will be writing like HTML. Here it is, now it is coming. It will be also showing the folder which you are just working, means which you are writing here, because here you are just working with that. Now if I run it, you can see it is showing all the files which we are having in my folder HTML. You can see first of all HTML, like folder of HTML, this is here. Then in that it will be showing all the files which you are having, like I am having these files like that. So because of that it's showing that, you can see that, and how good looking is that. So you can just work with here like if you want to, but here it is really good to just see how many things are in your folder and what things are in your folder here. Okay, so you can just do that, close that here. Then I will be doing one thing, like you can also define any other folder here. If I show you, so this is a folder of like point of sale. If I just go to my PyCharm text editor, right, point of sale, your folder will be showing at the first. Save all, run here by pressing this run button. You can see now your folder has been run, and it is just showing all the file which you are having in your folder of point of sale. Like I am having this item apple.png, and these are all the images which I am just using in that. So because of that, these all images are coming. Okay, so here like that you can just show that, and here you can also do one thing, like if you want to only define dir or file, so you can just erase one thing from here, and you can only define one thing if you want to. So here you can do that also, but here if I just show you, so you have to define both things, so there will be also not problem to just define that all. So I'll be doing one thing like erasing that thing, and if I show you to define my local disk D location, define by pressing this. Okay, so when you've done that, just I will be doing one thing like I'll be writing local disk D, which is now new video 1, in which I just do like that. So you can see there is the folder which I was talking about, new video 1. So I'll be pressing that here, and you can see it is now select save here by pressing save button here. And when you've done with that things, all you have to do nothing, just if I show you to by running that, so you can see it is showing all the videos which I am having in my new video 1 local disk D folder. You can see, so like I've telling you, you can also define any other location you want to, because I was just defining desktop, so for your confirmation I am just defining this location also, so you will be just thinking like this is good. So you can see how useful is this directory tree generator project for you. So this is also really good project you can work with here, and it will be also really helpful in your future if you just work with that all things here. And just I hope you understand this project also, like directory tree generator, like you are just understanding my previous one. So just you can also comment me like what things related to Python you want, and what suggestion you will be just giving to me, so I'll be making the videos related to that. And you can also tell me like what clones do you want from me in like live streaming or anything like that, so I will be also doing that, because previously we have just built many clones in the live stream. So I hope you all enjoyed that. So here just practice that all things we are working with here, like we are just working with this folder of like directory, but there will be also really projects coming of Python here, because I will be just uploading tutorial to like beginner to advanced. I will be, these projects are of like intermediate which we are doing just we have just finished beginner now. So just practice that all things we are working with. So just I hope you will be a good programmer of Python also, like you're of previous Python, JavaScript and HTML and CSS. So just practice that all things, and I will be just meet you in next project.